For the Senior Learning Institute, I'm Ted Gottlieb. Here's a tip as it relates to estate sales. Whether you are decluttering, moving, or dealing with what's left behind after someone passes away, an estate sale is something to consider. An estate sale is a garage sale on steroids. It normally consumes the entire house and most of what's left in it. You can do it yourself, or you can hire a proven estate sale company who can organize, price, and promote the entire event. These folks can even handle the disposal of what's left after the sale, because sometimes things don't sell. It's very common that things don't. And they can also leave the property broom swept and ready to go on the market, ready for pictures. So there's a lot of value that estate sale companies have, because it can be a very cumbersome process. Estate sales tend to yield more in regard to the bottom line than a garage sale will, but it's a lot of work. If you're considering doing an estate sale, you should call a few of them and determine whether it makes sense for you, because they do want to make some money off it. Nowadays, they want to make $1,800, $2,000 minimally from the sale itself. But you'd be surprised how much stuff you have and how much they could sell it for. So it may be worthwhile. So if you're going to have an estate sale or think about an estate sale, consult with somebody, one or two or three companies first. Don't throw anything out until you meet with them and talk with them, because you'd be shocked what people buy at estate sales. I've seen half empty bottles of Windex sold at an estate sale. It's crazy. If you don't want to go it alone, you can check with your real estate agent. Your real estate agent should have a good resource or two or three, or obviously we can help you with that as well. Just check us out at the seniorlearninginstitute.com website. You can go to our resource page, our video page, our library pages. We've got information all over the place in regard to estate sales and other type of senior-related topics. You can always give us a call. We're at 314-400-8102. That's 314-400-8102. For the Senior Learning Institute, I'm Ted Gottlieb. Always a free call, always free resources and referrals, and we are not profiting at all on any of the referrals that we make. Again, 314-400-8102, seniorlearninginstitute.com. Thank you much.